Imagine having the skills to deliver life-changing wellness solutions safely, confidently, and professionally. Whether you're in healthcare, wellness, or looking to grow your expertise, mastering intramuscular vitamin injection is a game changer. Are you ready to stand out? I get it. Starting something new can feel overwhelming. Maybe you're unsure about the proper technique or worried about patient safety. You're not alone. So many students and professionals miss out on amazing opportunities because they lack the right training or confidence. But it doesn't have to be this way. That's where we come in. Our course is designed by licensed medical professionals who have spent years practicing and teaching these skills. We have trained thousands of students just like you to master intramuscular vitamin injections with precision and care. In this course, you'll gain everything you need to succeed. You learn the anatomy and technique behind intramuscular injections, how to safely handle vitamins and supplements, and how to deliver treatments with confidence every single time. And it's not just theory. You get hands-on training, expert guidance, and real-world scenarios that prepare you for success. This platform is an excellent way to begin your journey. It's perfect for anyone looking to gain foundational knowledge and practice for personal use or for friends and family. Upon completion, you'll receive a generic certificate of completion. However, it's important to note that if your goal is to administer prescribed medication professionally or serve clients, additional steps will be required. To carry out professional client duties, you will need to enroll in a blended learning program that includes hands-on training. So in order for you to do this, it will give you the recognized certification and appropriate insurance to administer medicines. Additionally, access to POM, prescribed only medication, will require prescription from qualified prescribers. The premium service is not offered on this platform, but is something you may explore later. If you're in the UK, Europe, or the USA and are aiming for a professional certification, consider reaching out to local training providers or instructors for premium certification options. Be aware that these programs may cost between £300 to £600 depending on where you reside. For students in the other parts of the world, it's essential to check with your local authorities to understand the requirements in your area. This course serves as an excellent icebreaker and gives you a clear breakdown of what you've involved in the world of intramuscular injections. It's designed to help you explore the field, build your confidence, and decide on your next steps. Still not sure? Listen to our students. This course gave them an excellent way to practice. The hands-on training was actually a game changer. It felt that they had the support all the way, and it is a community of learners who have already transformed careers with this training. So you're ready to invest in yourself and your future? Don't let doubt hold you back. Enroll in our intramuscular vitamin injection course today and take the first step towards becoming an expert in this high demand skill. Your career, your confidence, your success, it starts right here. Click below to get started.